Hello, I'm James Rober, and I'm going to do an unboxing video with my new Samsung A71. So the phone I've been using is this Motorola G5 Plus. I've had this phone since the fall of 2017. It's been a good phone, but for different reasons, I felt I need to get a better and newer phone. So real quick, the specifications of this Moto G5 Plus, the back camera is 12 megabytes, the front camera is 5 megabytes. The total internal storage is 32 gigabytes, and the battery is 3000 megahertz. And then the screen size is 5.2 inches. So the two couple concerns I really had was especially the battery. The battery, I've been doing more video on my phone and streaming and video editing, so that really uses up the battery. So I really needed a phone that had a better battery, and also I wanted a better camera on the front camera, particularly because this camera only had 5 megabytes. And then of course with the newer phone I would get more storage. So this is the A71, and the A71 specifications, the front, well, first of all, let me open up the box. Let me open this up for the first time. So I'm not going to open everything up, but anyway, this is kind of what you get as you open this. You get all this, all this different stuff here, and this is what it will look like. I can maybe try to turn it on. Open this. Okay, it should be powered up 60%. It's supposed to be. Here it comes. So real quick about this phone, I think the back camera was 48, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, I just wanted to double check. So actually, the back camera actually has 4 cameras on this thing, which I don't completely understand yet. But anyway, it has 64 megapixels total between these back cameras. The front camera is 32 megapixels, which is pretty amazing. And then the battery is 4,500 megahertz, which is 1,500 megahertz more than my Moto G5 Plus. It has 128 gigabyte internal storage, and then the screen is 6.7 inches, so it's considerably bigger. Actually, I didn't want a bigger phone, but I kind of had to. Well, I didn't necessarily have to, but anyway, if I wanted this phone, I had to. It is bigger. I think I'll be able to manage with the bigger size. I'll probably end up liking it more. I might have a little more trouble getting it into my pocket, but let me see here. Okay, it fits pretty good. It's definitely thinner than my other phone, so that might not be such a big problem. So yeah, I think I'm going to be happier with this phone. I got to set it all up and get it going, but I just wanted to share this with you. This is my new Samsung A71, and I'm upgrading from this Moto G5 Plus, which, by the way, this was released April 2017. And this A71 was actually released, I believe, in January 2020. And then the one last thing, the Android version, this has an Android 8, and this newer phone I will be having will have an Android 10. So overall better phone, and I'm going to be happy with it. I hope. I've been doing a lot of streaming and video editing and all kind of things, which I wasn't really doing so much when I first bought this phone. So that's one of the biggest reasons why I wanted to get a better phone and newer phone. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I will maybe do another video and let you know after I've been using it for a while how I like it. But I did try it out in the store, and it worked really great. It was fast. I was impressed with what I saw. So anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.